Be prepared for Bitcoin to bore yourself all the way to $1 million. I think you're moving into the era where you're going to have a very different Bitcoin market. I've gone on record saying that I don't believe these boom and bust cycles that we tend to be very familiar with are going to continue. I expect slow, steady, more S&P 500 type growth where you could have year over year growth of 20, 30, 40% going forward, the institutionalization of the asset. Can you have pullbacks of 30, 40, 25%? Of course, that can happen all the time. We get those routinely even in bull markets. I love the stability you're seeing from Bitcoin. There's just not a lot of willing sellers. And then there's buyers that are coming in. They're buying very differently. They're buying in a more systematic, calm, level-headed way than the FOMO buyers. A lot of us who came of age in 2015, 2016, even 2017, we saw like everybody and their grandma buying a Coinbase and just smash buying regardless of price.
Yep.
These buyers just set the bid. And they just wait for the price to come to them. And you saw that even with the recent price action, like we would dip below 80K and then it would get bought up.
Yeah.
Just get completely smashed. So I really love the way Bitcoin's trading. I know people are calling for the God candles and they want the 2 or 3 or 4x, but the slow, steady upward climb, I think is so much more interesting and it enhances credibility with institutional investors.
For sure.
I think the halving is muted and I think that the institutional buyer is here. I think it's going to continue to accelerate and